kang walang pera!
So guys, for your information, Camp Sabros is located at Barangay Kapatagan in Digos City. And then their entrance fee here is for and then they have zip line, cable rides, and then horseback riding. So later we are going to try their rides. So good luck.
Good luck to us.
So, Sabi, are you ready to explore the Camp Sabros?
I'm ready, I'm excited, and I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
Why?
So yes, later we're going to try their rides. Itatry namin yung rides na makakaya sa budget namin. So, let's go!
Let's go! You should wear jacket,
Long sleeves and pants. Yeah, because the temperature here is so cool.
You should wear shorts. Pero
But I wore shorts.
if you want your OOTD to be the best of the best, you should wear shorts.
Tiisin mo yung lamig. So Sabi, let us ask somebody about their experience here in Camp Sabros. Willing magpa-interview. Okay, so let's go. Fine. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Postal ko pa rin dito yun.
What's your name, sir?
Samuel.
Sir Jim Wells. What brought you here in Camp Sabros?
Celebrating the Teachers Month.
Hello, sir.
The number of episodes.
So far, sir, what's your best experience here in Camp Sabros? Like, nasa yun na po yung rides?
Hindi pa ba nalaban ko sa talaga. Lamig siya ka may bar sila doon. Tsaka may horseback riding. Zipline sila.
Thank you
Welcome to Digos City. Actually, taga Digos City.
Thank you, sir.
Yan lang po, sir. Thank you so much. So, guys, we're now going to try the zipline and cable.
We will buy a ticket for the rides. And the feeling is unpredictable.
Internet and social media has truly a frightening marketing influence. With just one click, you could manage marketing within the locality or even internationally.
Inspiration comes in many forms. Even idolizing someone or something could motivate you to create something unique that would garner attention from different countries all over the world.
And did you know that Sabros was originated from the words two brothers because it was owned by the Sakdalan brothers, namely Mr. Edwin and Pando Sakdalan.
Camp Sabros became popular due to the ambience it gives. The indoor restaurants and bar aesthetically makes you feel as though you have visited countries abroad, while the atmosphere outside appeals to be like a little Baguio City due to the cold weather.
It was no surprise that tourists from all over the world came to Camp Sabros and naturally made it the main tourist attraction in Digos City.
All I can say is, ayun.
Zipline and people
Nancy.
Ate Nancy, how many years ka na po nag-work dito?
It's not a year.
3 months. Bakit mo binibisita yung Camp Sabros?
Camp Sabros, bakit siya binisita is full of refreshing and bagay talaga siya sa couple and families. May Camp Sabros. Ay, actually, halata.
Okay, next question. So, anong mga araw dinadagsa yung Camp Sabros?
Actually, dinalagsa sila is Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday.
So, like, karoon kay Saturday, pero sa bukas. Ano dito siya kadalasan talaga ng tao or naas may mas daghan
Napay mas daghan kanang ilabi pag holidays, Christmas.
So, kano sa na-discover ang kaning place natin?
1994, then established ni siya is 1996.
So, dugay na niya.
Okay.
Then, ay, kasi owner din ano na
Si Edwin Saknala.
taga Davao.
Now, tagamit sayap Cotabato.
Mapansin na to no, sa background natin dito. Guys, we're vintage na team. So, what do you think yung ano na team ang naisipan nila na design din isang
Siguro, kanang akong amo, kanang kanjo kaniya si Harley Davidson. Kanjo kaniya, idolize ni kaniya.
more siya American style na ewan. Kanang mga towns sa America.
Muna daghan yung Amerikano nga ganahan diri kay para po sila ganang na sila sa ilahang.
Pero naa
Yes.
sa taas sa mountain. So, alright, ate, thank you kaayo.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ate.
You're welcome.
Hello, kuya. What's your name po?
Si Jeffrey Darwin.
Hello po, Kuya Jeffrey. What brought you here sa Camp Sabros? Lag. Enjoy. Seize the moment. First time niyo po ba dito?
Gatulo na.
Katulo. What's the reason sa pabalik-balik here?
Napoy mga maestra kong karagaw.
Yun pala. What's your best experience here po?
Naging dalan niya si Bida.
Subida! Wala, ikaw pag ito first yan is nag-answer anak ko ya. Grabe, ipabaklay ko ganina.
Yung lisuran dalan. Sa una, pag kanina ko primero kayo, dili pa na inanandalan. Kuwan ba ka na? Bakit pang giguldos ba?
Oo. Karon simentado na siya. Unsa imong maingon sa ambience diri kuya? Fresh air?
Presko na presko.
Okay. Yun lang po. Thank you so much, kuya.
So now guys, we're leaving Kapatagan, Digos City.
And we are going back to Davao City.
Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in our next vlog. Bye! Ready na kuya!
Hala, kaganda ng view.
Oh my God!
The view is so nice.
So, Sab!
What a wonderful place.